Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana is now in the support area that I think I defined that yesterday for you. However, it looks like this support level will break. The level that I showed you is the level that we need to hold to still get a reliable fifth wave. Yeah. So in an impulse here, we need to hold the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the third wave. It seems like we're not going to do that. So let me just adjust it correctly here. But yeah, it's basically at 74.8 cents. And we've already briefly broken below it anyway. Today, well, we did hold it so far, but we haven't really managed to get off the ground. So unless Mana now reverses, breaks above the 81.7 cent level here, this scenario is probably going to die and we have to readjust the count. So this is still a very alive scenario, so it's still working. We can follow it, but the way this looks like, especially considering Bitcoin, Ethereum, it might be that this is going to fail. However, it could be that we see a little bit of a reaction first to the upside before we come down further. Yeah. So this is currently still a possible count that we already are in the fifth wave, that we finished here a wave 4 in a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and that we're now moving up in this 5-wave move of wave 5. But at the moment we only have 3 waves up. So what happens if this remains at a 3-wave structure? So it means that if we break below 74.8 cents, technically the wave 4 is not invalidated until we get into the wave 1 price region. That starts at 73.3 cents. But yeah, below that, I have to adjust the count, have to readjust the count, and I would then just looked at that before the video. So obviously at the moment I've got a 1-2 setup down here, and then all of this as a third wave. And that's still possible, but I might then have to add another 1-2 setup. Yeah. The reason is if we only get 3 waves up, I basically have a wave B up there. I'm going to show you what the important considerations are then. I would have to add another 1-2 setup here. There seems to be one hidden, 1-2. And then this would be the 3. This would have been the 4. I think I had a 4 sitting here before. And then we didn't have a triangle. Just want to show you the implications it would have. This would have been the wave 3 high. Just take out some of these lines that we really don't need. 3, 4, 5, which would finish a third wave up here. Yeah. Then we could say that the wave 4 here is still unfolding. And afterwards we will get 1-5. And that would then be a count that's also aligned with Bitcoin pretty much. I just want to change the wave degrees here. 1 second. So we've got the correct ones. So yeah, so it would basically just mean a readjustment of the count, mean that if this support level breaks, there is another chance to re-enter a little bit lower in a wave 4 support, because after this yellow wave 3 finished then up here at around 77.9 cents, what we then probably did, and that's only assuming we break that support that we just talked about, then we would say this was an A wave, here an overshooting B wave, and we would come down in C. And then I will, if we see a little bit more price action now over the next few hours, for tomorrow I might have an entry area for the 4th wave, because then I can specify that a little bit better here between waves A and C, looking at the subwaves as well to get a bit more confluence. So technically, if we look at this, I mean, I can take already now the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave. And this, while the 61.8 extension is a first target, that would be at 72.58 cents, I wouldn't really want to enter there. This is certainly too short, really. Then we've got the 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah, so should we get a running flat here, the 1-to-1 ratio is going to be important at 66.9 cents. and then all the way down to the 1.618 extension at 57.8. But looking at the price action, it's very early days in this scenario, so I need some more confirmation. I will observe the price closely today, but for now, we can work with this support area for the yellow count here. For now, I'm going to take the green box out here, because I have no evidence that wave 1 has topped already. And I will highlight that box in green to show it's a support area, and this is what should be relevant really for this fourth wave. I mean, there is another way of measuring it, and we can take for that the length of the third wave. And then we get actually support all the way down to 53.6 cents. But I don't want to make that box too large, so I really want to observe first how does the price action unfold now in the next few hours, maybe today, tomorrow, and then I will adjust the support area here for you. Okay, and that's my update about Mana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.